what is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be heading off to Adelaide Oval for the Ferrari rally. I'm so excited for this, but not today actually. Today's Sunday, so let's pick out an outfit for tomorrow and Tuesday. So for tomorrow, I'm either going to wear this Umbro sweatshirt from Big W, not bad thing to pick up from Big W. Or I'm gonna wear this. I'm also gonna wear this, but mind you, tomorrow it's gonna be 22 and partly cloudy, so either this jumper, right, or the sweatshirt. I think I might go with the sweatshirt. I think I might do that. And I'm gonna wear the same pants for Monday and Tuesday because it's the only pants I really wear. But I'll show you them now. I'm gonna wear these pants right here. I love the look of them. They're very comfy, very stylish, so I think I might wear these for both days. Don't worry, I will be washing them. I'm not that disgusting, so we will be washing these the night before the second day. So yeah, and I know what I'm gonna wear for. I know the jumper I'm gonna wear for Tuesday. I think I might wear this Stussy t-shirt Tuesday too. But I need to pick out a t-shirt for tomorrow. So I've figured out the t-shirt I'm gonna wear for Monday. It is this 24 Hour of Le Mans t-shirt. As you can see, there looks to be a 330 P4 on there, which looks absolutely sick. It will match the Ferrari theme. And also, I do need to get some Ferrari clothing. Not gonna lie, as I am a Ferrari fanboy, I will admit that. This is the fit for tomorrow. Got the Umbro sweatshirt, 24 Hour Le Mans t-shirt, the JJ's pants, and the Jordan 1s. I'm waiting to get my Jordan 4 University Blues. I'll put a photo of what I've ordered. And I will leave a link in the description for the place I got them from. I think the name was Fairfax. I also got my jumper that I'm wearing tomorrow from there. So yeah, amazing store, amazing people. Highly recommend if you want to buy some nice shoes or nice clothing from them. Link in the description down below. Now for Tuesday. Oh yeah, Tuesday. I forgot the name. We'll be wearing this amazing, if I can get it up, After Dark Time is Money jumper. I absolutely love this jumper. I've only worn it once ever since I got it. Absolutely adore it. I think it's one of my best pieces of clothing I have in my collection at the moment. So yeah, and then obviously I'll be wearing the. Obviously, yeah, you can see I've changed t-shirts to show you off this piece, but I wear this Stussy t-shirt, same pants, and also the Jordan 1s. If my Jordan 4s come in tomorrow, I will pick them up and I'll wear them to Tuesday. So yeah, if I don't, I'll be wearing these, but they'll be coming in like 2 weeks-ish. Like that's what I'm guessing, so yeah. This, don't mind my dog, she's barking for no reason. Don't know why. Well, one of my two dogs actually. I bought a new puppy 2 weeks ago. Her name's Coco. I should put a picture right there again. But yeah, time for jewellery. Now, unfortunately, my watch is broken, as you can see, so I won't be wearing that. Instead, I'll be wearing my dad's watch. That'll be on the left hand. And on the right hand, I'll be wearing this Cuban link bracelet. And then a neck piece, we go in for this Cuban link chain. I've just chucked the washing into the washing machine. Now I think I might clean my shoes. Ready for tomorrow. I think I might do that. So yeah, so start off, we're gonna undo this little knot right here. It's what I use to tighten up my shoe, looking like loose lace, but it's not. So yeah, I'll do that real quick. The shoes undone. Time to unlace them. Also, I will be posting some gaming videos on my second account, also some BMX videos if you guys are interested in that. Link in the description down below. And then I'll also leave a link in the description to my model car collection account, where I'll be posting all about my model cars and all that. So yeah, if you guys enjoy or like any of that content, link in the description down below. So yeah, but let's get on to clean these. So unfortunately, I cannot get these shoelaces to glow like they were like when I first bought them. I'll put a photo up on the screen of what they look like. But yeah. Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, finally with the Ferrari event. So yeah, I can't wait. It's gonna be very good. I didn't just woke up at 4 right there, And like I promised you guys, I would show you Coco. So here she is. I don't know what, she's just nibbling on her paw. Weird doggo. Say hi. You say hi? Or he's gonna sniff? Nah, she's gonna sniff. But yeah, her name's Coco. She's 18 months old. She's a Kelpie. So yeah, got her from my cousins. So yeah. Well, let's get ready, and I'll see you in the car. Just arrived. There's some good stuff there. I can see 360s, 488s, stuff like that. So yeah, we'll get over there soon. Cool cars like this 488 Pista with a striped Elite. Looks so good. Valves. 'This is so cool. I think that California has the best roof mechanism. Can't speak. MP4-12C just passing by. "5 minutes about to be Ferrari time, where all the Ferraris are going to start up and they're going to head down somewhere and they head into the bend, which we'll see them tomorrow, where there'll be even more cars. This is just a slight fraction of all the cars that are here. So yeah, got a Dino and a 360. Not bad duo. Oh, and we've got a 599. Can't wait to hear all these Ferrari start up. It's going to sound so good. So especially the 360 Challenge, I'm pretty sure the name is. So that's going to sound amazing starting up. Hopefully it's straight pipe, but can't wait to promise everything. So you got all the Ferraris lined up right here, waiting for the light to turn green. I'm showing 3 hands because then I'd use the camera, so but I can't. So. I love the sound of Ferraris. 5 minutes to waste until all the Ferraris will be starting up and heading off, and we'll see them tomorrow. So yeah, what's gonna happen? I'm pretty sure that group might leave first, then all these, and then maybe these, because they all got to turn around. I'm pretty sure. So yeah, and somewhere around here, so I can get the 360 and the 430 Scuderia starting up. Probably some of the best cars here, other than the 458 Speciale. Should be starting up any minute now. There we go. There's one car, but it is 11:28. So yeah, let's stand around here. Let's see which one's going to start up first, the 360 or the 430. Or maybe in the 458, who knows? Up on the 458 first. That sounds nice. gonna do something over there with all the owners and come back to this. So, yeah. Up here getting them elevated views on views. Oh. Hurrying, we're hustling down here. 488 Pista, GT4 Lusso, California, Dino 488, another California F8, another 488. Oh, so cool. So cool. Oh, first startup. Getting a few revs. My camera's messing up, mucking about. There we go. Don't know where, but somewhere. I think I might quickly cross right here. Try not miss this. Here's a better shot because I can get them all lined up right there for a sick photo. So, yeah. See them right over there. Whoa. This is so cool. I'm gonna hurry up and walk up here a bit. Try and hurry up, get up here. Ooh, the Porsche coming out. I don't know if I should stand there or here. If I stand here, I get better shots, so. I think I might stand here. Oh, you're going straight? What? Oh, you're going straight? Oh no, I'm missing all of the shots. No! I shouldn't have moved. God damn it. I shouldn't have moved. the fourth day looks so good.
Were you expecting them coming through?
Yeah, I was expecting them to go down that way.
What's in Adelaide? What's happening?
It's the Ferrari event. Tomorrow they're gonna be at the Bend. Ah, damn. I was probably one of the first car spotters to ever realise about this, because I messaged or emailed the Ferrari club.
Yeah.
So
I didn't even know. Yeah, and then tomorrow I didn't know it was either. Like, where did they even post this stuff?
on their website.
Oh, okay.
So,
You would think they would post it on the Adelaide
yeah,
Ferrari Insta, but
probably. Not anymore. Used to post like once a day.
yeah.
Yeah, ones came from the Northern Territory.
Yeah.
One of the dinners came from ACT. So bit of driving.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video. And unfortunately, my photos that I did take aren't that good. My ISO was set too high. I've just turned it down to 800. So hopefully that works for tomorrow. Fingers crossed. Because this is a once a year opportunity to do this thing. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you want some more photography clips or shots on TikToks and everything, link in the description below. Like I said in the intro, I'll put everything down on all my socials. So if you guys enjoyed today's video and tomorrow's video, 4 videos in 1 week. Hope you guys enjoy that too. You guys are getting a bit spoilt. So yeah, and then I'll see you next week for this week's Sports Car Sunday. So yeah, enjoy that too. So yeah, but I'll see you guys next week. See ya.